Hi, good morning, friends. Today I am explained about resolving the forces acting on the body in motion. Objectives: resolving of forces along the inclined plane, effect required to hold the body in equilibrium. When a body is kept on a rough inclined plane, let W be the weight of the body, let P be the effort applied parallel to the inclined, N be the normal reaction of the surface, A be the angle of inclined plane. Resolving of the forces when the body is moving upwards. See diagram where A is alpha is angle of inclined plane. Resolving forces along inclined, weight component is equal to W sine alpha at equilibrium. When the formula is P is equal to F plus W sine alpha, equation 1. Resolving forces normal to inclined, weight component is equal to W cos alpha at equilibrium, where formula N is equal to W cos alpha, equation 2. From equation 1 and 2 we have formulas. P means effort applied. P is equal to mu n plus W sine alpha. P is equal to W into mu cos alpha plus sine alpha, equation 3. Effort required to move the body of the inclined, P is equal to W into mu cos alpha plus sine alpha. Substituting mu is equal to tan pi in equation 4, then effort required P is equal to W sine into alpha plus pi divided by cos pi, equation 4. Effort means P applied parallel to the inclined plane. When the body is moving downwards, let W be the weight of the body, N be the normal reaction of the surface, alpha be the angle of inclined plane. Resolution of the forces. Resolution means distributed or divided, where alpha is angle of inclined plane. To observe diagram, normal reaction, force, weight of the body, all those things. Resolving forces along the inclined, weight component is equal to W sine alpha at equation P plus F is equal to W sine alpha, equation 5. Resolving forces normal to inclined, weight component is equal to W cos alpha at equilibrium. N is equal to normal reaction, N is equal to W cos alpha, equation 6. From equation 6 and 5 and 6 we have P plus mu n is equal to W sine alpha. P is equal to W into sine alpha minus mu cos alpha, equation 7. Substituting mu is equal to tan pi in equation 7. Then effort required, alpha is greater than pi, P is equal to W sine into alpha minus pi divided by cos pi, equation 7. Summary. We have resolving forces along the inclined and normal to inclined. normal force always acts normal to surface. Normal force always acts normal to surface. Friction always acts to oppose the revolution motion. We have applied equilibrium condition to find effort required to move